Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. Today in this video I'll be doing a what's on my iPad Pro 12.9 inch, and so without any further ado, let's just get right into it. So here I have my iPad. It is the M1 iPad Pro 12.9 inch in the silver color. This is the 2021 model. So this is how it looks, and I also bought this black case for it, which is from ESR. So for the lock screen, I chose this MacBook wallpaper. And so over here I have a few widgets. This is my home screen I got from Widget Smith, and then over here I have iMovie, and then here are some random apps that Apple downloaded which I don't use, so I just keep them in a folder. Then we have settings, files, clock, app store, camera, photos, and shortcuts. And then on the bar, we have Safari, calendar, notes, and then my recent apps, Quizlet, movie, iMovie, and YouTube. Then on my main page, I have Gmail, Google Classroom, and then Hangouts, Notion, Colano for note taking, Xmind for mind mapping, and GoDaddy for fonts, and then OneNote for typing notes, and then Google Docs for school, Quizlet for digital flashcards making, Focus Keeper for Pomodoro time, and then Canva for making thumbnails and projects. Then I have YouTube, which is obvious, YouTube Studio to manage my channel, VLLO, a editing app, Instagram, TikTok, and Pinterest. And then I have Snapseed, an editing app for Instagram posts, Fonto for thumbnails, Widgetsmith for widgets, Adobe Fresco, like another alternative to Procreate, Keynote, and then Calculator, and then ZenFlip Clock. And then after that, here, if you click on this, these are some apps Apple organizes for you. So over here, these are the apps organized in categories. And so that's pretty much it on my iPad. And so, yeah, that's all about it. And so thank you guys so much for watching this video. I'll end the video right over here. Thank you so much for watching this whole video till the end. Please make sure to subscribe, hit that bell icon for all notifications, like, share, comment this video and all my others. And I will see you guys in my next videos. Okay, bye!